Good day, viewers at home. This is on fractions. Another one on fraction. This is reducing fractions to the simplest form. When you have a given fraction and you are asked to reduce it to the simplest form, that is the form in which the numerator and the denominator will no longer have any common divisor, that is no common factor. We have 24 over 42. If it is not convenient to use large figures to divide both of them, we can start with small numbers. That is, if you look at 24 and 42, they are both even numbers. That means 2 can divide both of them. So if you divide 24 by 2, you have 12. And if you divide 42 by 2, you have 21. Again, 12 and 21, something is still common, which is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now 4 and 7 do not have anything in common because 7 is a prime number. So 4 and 7 don't have any common factor. So that means this is the simplest form of this fraction. So 4 over 7 is the same thing as 24 over 42. Now let's take another example. 72 over 96. 72 over 96. Like in the previous example, they are both even numbers. So if you divide 72 by 2, you get 36. If you divide 96 by 2, you get 48. And we don't need to count 72 and divide by 2. We can simply say 7 divided by 2 is 3, but there is a remainder of 1. So 1 and 2 is 12. 2 in 12 is 6. If you are dividing 96 by 2, 9 divided by 2 is 4, with a remainder of 1. Then 1 and 6 is 16. 2 in 16 is 8. They are still even numbers, so I can still use 2 again. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 48 divided by 2 is 24. We can see that we still have even numbers. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Now, one of them is odd. That means we can no longer divide both of them by 2. These two numbers now have a common factor, which is 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, with this, we have reduced 72 over 96 to the simplest form, which is 3 over 4. Thank you.